How to send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to send one-time view picture, firstly take a snap that you want to send as one-time view picture and further in the preview screen, from the right side toolbar, tap on the Snap Mode option, which is right below the music icon. So once you tap on the Snap Mode option, you will see the option for one time only. So tap on the one time only option you see there, and with this, tap on the Send option at the bottom right. Make sure that the one time only feature is only available for Premium Snapchat and is not available in normal Snapchat. So if you have Snapchat Plus, then you can simply tap on the one time only option and then tap on the send option and then select the individual whom you want to send the snap, and with this the snap will be sent as one time view picture. So this was about how you can send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.